Hello, good day everybody. I am Engineer Rodolfo B. Ocate from Haro, Iloilo City, Philippines. I am a civil engineer, junior geodetic engineer, master of engineering, assistant professor of Central Philippine University, land surveyor, and AutoCAD operator. My topics of discussion for this series of sessions are 1. Three-moment equation, beam deflection by area moment method. Third, double integration, slope deflection for beams in frame. 5. Moment distribution. 6. Conjugate beam method. 7. Influence lines for beam and trusses. Other miscellaneous topics such as hydraulics, physics, mechanics, and so on. Today, I will be discussing about the three-moment equation. Okay. Be ready, prepare your calculator, paper, and ballpen. Just pause if you cannot catch the discussion. Be sure to subscribe to support me. I will be happy if you do so. Thank you. We have this first problem, three-span beam with the loadings uniform load of 11, 8, and concentrated load of 15 and 2. Corresponding distances are 6, 4, 2, 3, and 1. 1 is the for the overhang. Now in this fundamental equation, we are considering two span at a time. So L1 and L2 only, or A, B, C. Two span at a time. So basic formula, we have M1, L1. M1 is the moment at A on the left. Then L1 is the distance on the left. Then twice the moment at C. Or I can say moment at B is at the center of the two span. Okay. Then L1 plus S2 is the sum of the two span at the middle. Then on the right, MC times L2. So MC here, then the span that we are using is L2. Then plus 6 over L1 per span. Then area 1 times distance from the left, or A. The area 1 is this one. Okay, area 1 composed of two areas, positive and negative. Then A1 is the distance from the left, or at A. At A, this one. Area 1, these two areas, times corresponding distance from the left, or A. Then plus 6 over L2, this one. We are now considering the second span over L2. Area 2 is the area of these two moment by parts. Then B is the distance from the right, from here going to the centroid of this triangle. Then from C going to the centroid of this triangle. The distance is resembled by letter B. Letter A is for this one, from the left. Then equate to 0. Okay. Then substitute. Okay. Consider the span ABC. The first one, the area at A is actually 0. Okay. Then twice the moment at B, distance 6 plus 4. Okay, 6 plus 4. Then moment on the right, 4 moment at C. 4 moment at C, this one. 4 moment at C plus, okay, 6 over L1. Okay, First, I have to discuss, before we go to this, I have to discuss how to make this moment by part. Okay, actually the three moment equation is simplified for the computing the simple beam reaction at B and A using the uniform load of 11, span of 6. You consider AB as a simple beam. Okay, so the total load is 66. Split that into 2, A and B. A reaction at A and B are equal. The reaction at B is 66 divided by 2 is 33. Okay, this is not the actual reaction at B. It is a prop or dummy reaction because of we are considering this as a simple beam. Reaction at B as a dummy is 33. Then bring this reaction RB to the pivot at A. Pivot all forces going to A. So 33 times 6 is 198. 33 times 6. Reaction here, bring here to solve the moment. Then for a uniform load, it is going down. The moment, if we make a pivot at A, 11 times 6 total load times 3. 11 times 6 times 3 is 198. This is negative, this is positive. So the sum of these two moments must be 0 because in a simple beam, the moment left and moment on the right must be 0. So moment must be 0 here. The sum of this positive and negative must be 0. So this is the one. Okay. Then moment by parts on BC, they consider it as a simple beam. The reaction of a prop reaction at C, we have the total load as 8 times 4, 32. Split that into 2 equal. Reaction 32 divided by 2 or 16. The reaction at C is 16. Reaction at B is also 16. Now the force 16, if you pivot that on B, so 16 times 4 is 64. The moment by parts at B is 64. The moment by parts for the uniform load, this is a second degree, is 8 times 4 total load. Okay. This must be also 64. I think there's some correction. The moment at B is 64. Moment at B for a negative is also 64. Okay. This is supposed to be, the moment here is 8. 8 times 4 times 2. 8 times 4 times 2 is 64. No 1/2. Okay, for the right span CD, the moment by part is the reaction at D is, okay, if you take moment in simple static solution for reaction at D, it is equal to 15 times 2 divided by 5, or this is 6, the reaction. Okay, simple static computation of the reaction at D. 15 times 2 divided by 5 is 6. So that moment by parts reaction at D, bring that to pivot C. 16 times 5 is 30. And also this concentrated load of 15, bring that to pivot at C. 15 times 2 is also 30. This is supposed to be negative, positive. So the sum of the two moments must be 0 at C. It is a simple support. Okay. I hope you knew how to interpret this or how to compute this. 188, 64, 30, 30, 64, 198. Okay, then substitute this to this equation. Okay, this formula 6 over L1. Okay, so we have the first span, 6 over L1 is 6. The area of this is 198 divided by 2 times 6. 6 times the distance from here up to the centroid is 1/3 of 6. 1/3 of 6 minus this lower parabolic 1/3, 198 times 6 times the distance of 1/4, okay, of 6. This one, 1/4 distance from the left. Then the second span, 6 over L2, which is 4. Then the area of this is 1/2, 64 by 4. Then the distance must be on the right. On the right. This is the first span, this is the second span. The origin of measurement of distance must be on the right for the second span. So 1/2 64 times 4 times 2/3 of 4. Okay, 2/3 of 4. Then the lower part is 1/3. This is parabolic. 1/3 of 64 times 4. Okay. This distance is 4 times distance from the right, 3/4 of 4 from here to the centroid of parabola. Then the whole thing equate to 0. Now this 6 times 10, 20. 2 times 10, 20. 4 MC. Simplifying this term, it is minus 594. This one is minus 128. So that the sum of this is negative 722. This is negative because from this equation, these two terms are positive. Transfer that to the right of the equality of equation. So positive here, transfer to the right becomes negative. And also interpretation of this, usually the moment at the support is negative at B and moment at C is negative. So these two terms must be negative. Okay, negative. Then consider the second two set of span B, C, D. This B, C, D. Okay. These are the moment by parts, 64 and 30. Okay, we are now in the second two set of span. So the moment on the left is B. And this is unknown. Moment at B, then the span is 4. So it is 4B, 4 times moment at B. Then moment at the center twice the moment at C. The sum of the two span is 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Minus, okay, minus 2 times 5. Minus 2 is the moment at D. Okay, I will show this to you. The moment at D is 2 times 1 and negative. 2 times 1 is minus 2. And the distance, okay, so is 5. Okay, so I will explain this. The moment is 2. Then we are using the span on the right of the two set of span. We have two span at a time. The right portion span is 5. Okay, not 1. 5. It must be 5. This one. Moment here is minus 2 times the span 5. We have two sets of span, 1 and 2. The right span is 5, not 1, not 1. Minus 2 times 5. Then 6 over L1 for the BCD. 6 over 4. The last span is 4. Then the moment by part. Okay, I will bring this. Okay. This is the last two. 1/2 64 by 4. On the left, the origin must be on the left. The area moment on the left, the origin must be on the left. So the area is 64 by 4 times 1/3 of 4. Okay. 1/3 of 4. This one. So this is 4. 1/3 of 4. Then minus the lower area is parabolic 1/3. 64 by 4. Distance from the left is 1/4 of 4. Okay, from here up to here, 1/3 of 4. Then the next x 6 over 5 L2 1/2 30. This one 30 1/2 30 by 5. Last span is 5. Then the distance must be on the right, 2/3 of 5. From here up to the centroid here is 2/3. It must be on the right, 2/3 5. Minus this triangle 1/2 30 times 2. Distance from the right is 3 plus 2/3 of 2. Again, this is 3, then 2. So distance of the centroid from the right, 3 plus 2/3 of 2. Then the whole thing equate to 0. Okay, equate to 0. Okay, simplifying, this is 4MB, 20 times 9 times 2, 18 MC plus positive, transfer this to the right of the equation, becomes minus. So the whole thing here is minus 118. Then the second expression here is minus 144. The sum is 262, minus 262. Again, this must be minus since usually the moment at B is 0 at the support. Moment at C is also negative at the support. These two must be negative and the answer here must be negative. Then solving the two equation 1 and 2, this is the result. Moment at B is minus 34.7326. Moment at C is minus 68326. Okay, simple as that. It's a tedious job, but it is simple. Then solving the reaction. Okay, to solve the reaction at A, I have to copy this. Copy. Bring this to the okay, reaction at A. Consider the span AB. You cut the beam at B. Consider the span AB. You cut this, then there is a moment that appearing here. Don't consider this on the right. Don't consider this. Just AB. And there is a moment at B. Okay. The moment at B is minus 34.7326. Okay. So, take moment at B, RA times 6 minus this 11 times 6, centroid is 3, going to B. Then the whole computation of moment equate that to the moment at B, which is minus 34.7326. Then solving for RA, it is 27.2112. Okay, so this is now solved. The reaction, this is the actual reaction at A. Then solving for RB, consider the span ABC. Okay, unknown reaction at B. Reaction at A is already solved. 27. Okay, take moment at C, which is 6 minus 6.8326. Moment at C. So we have 4 RB, moment due to the reaction at B. RB is unknown. Then plus the reaction at A, 27.2112 times 10. 6 plus 4. Then minus the uniform load of 11. Total weight is times 6. 66 times distance of 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 or 7. Uniform load of 8. Total weight is 8 times 4. The distance going to C is 2. Then equate this to moment at C. Minus 6.8372. Okay, we have only one unknown, RB. Solving, it is 61.7626. Okay. Now we have to solve RD. Consider the right portion of the cut section. You cut this section at C. There appear the moment at C. Then we will solve RD on the right. Okay. CD and the overhang. Have to move this. Okay, RD. Consider span CD plus overhang. We have RD times 5. Okay. Minus the concentrated load of 15 times 2 moment at C. Then minus 2 times 5 plus 1 or 6. Then equate that to the moment at C, which is 6 point, okay, moment at A, minus 6.8326. Then solving for RD, it is 7.0326. Okay. Then in order to solve for RC, consider the span BCD. This is given now. The RD is given. RC is unknown. Then consider the cut section BCD. So we have a moment here at B, which is moment at B is minus 34 7326 34 726. So okay, we have RC times 4 plus reaction at D 7.033 times 9, 4 plus 5, 9. Then minus 2 times 10, 2 times, this is 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1, this is 10. Then 15 times 2. This is 15 times 2. Must be corrected. Minus this 8 times 4 times 2. 8 times 4 times 2. One of the 4 must be divided by 2. Correction here, this must be 15 times 2. And equate that to 34,733. Solving, just check this. RC is 18.9936. You must also check the sum of RA, RB, RC, and RD. It must be equal to the external load, the sum of this. Anyway, we can check this from the shear and moment diagram. So given now the forces, we can draw the shear diagram of this reaction at A, and the moment diagram will look like this. Okay. I will not discuss about this because this is under the strength of material, the subject of strength of material. The moment diagram is this. Okay, now that's all for the discussion or explanation on how to solve the multi-span by moment by parts, 3-moment equation. Now you have to practice this. Here are the assignments for you to solve. Given W1 10, W2 is 4. Instead of 11, this must be 10 and this must be 4. Change that data. W1 is 10, W2 is 4. Then change also the concentrated load to 12. Distance is 6, 5, and 2. Then this is hint for you. The moment by parts are 180, 50, and 24. Check this so that consolation whether you done it correctly. Then the answer at moment at B is 29.2747. Moment at C is minus 4.1913. Reaction RA 25.12, RB 49.8958, RC is 12.6216, RD is 6.3617. That's all for now. There will be another problem for the next video. Be sure to subscribe to support me. Thank you.